Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at how to sound like 049 for free. Now, this is the Volgan, and he is the original voice actor for 049 in the game Containment Breach and in the wiki files, and we'll listen to some of his voice lines.
I know you're in here. I know you're in here.
Now, the first step to sound like 049 is you're going to want to go to Google and type in MorphVox Pro Trial, and then I'll leave a link in the description. It'll take you to this website, MorphVox Pro Screaming Bee, and you're going to want to go to download MorphVox Pro and click the free trial button right there. It'll download through an installer, it's pretty safe, and then once the installer is finished, you can open it up on your desktop. It'll open a box asking for a key, and you have a trial for 7 days. You don't really need to type anything in, you can just hit continue. Close out the tip of the day. You can want to go to iRobot, since 049 sounds more like a robot. Change the shift depending on if your voice is high or low. If you're a bassier voice, you might want to just keep it at 0, and if you're higher, you might want to lower it a bit. The timbre don't really need to change much. You can leave it at 0 and the strength at 100. With the graphic equalizer, you're going to want to have the low and the high voices boosted, and then kind of going down in a W from there. And then just kind of set it to how I have it. I don't know much about graphic equalizing, but if you know more, you can change it and leave some tips in the description. This is just what I did to make it sound the way that I have it. Disable everything except for enabling diode, reverb, low cut, and phaser. If you right click, you can tweak these effects to how you want it, and you can click morph and listen to yourself while you change these different things. Low cut's the same thing, you don't really need to change much. Reverb, you're going to want to have it in a large room, and then have a major reverb. And then diode is the main vocal effect that makes it sound like 049. You do not want to have it an octave up, have it in diode and the max intensity. You can also enable breathy and nasal, but I didn't find much difference between having them enabled or disabled. So I'm going to mute my normal microphone and then have the Screaming Bee audio microphone on. And what you want to do is change it in your default audio so that your Screaming Bee is enabled. Here's me, and you can hear it through my desktop, and I will enable the voice.
Hello. I am the cure. I sense the pestilence. You're not a doctor.
So I know it's not perfect, and it's not even really great, but it's what I found to be best, and I haven't found anything else on the internet that shows how to sound like 049. But if you have any tips, you can leave them in the comments below, and that'd be greatly appreciated. So thank you, and until next time, see ya.